Okay, Delaney. So last week we read the story, Adaptive Athletes. What kind of story was this that we read?
It was an informational text.
It was informational, yeah. So all of the people in this story were real people. So these athletes were all playing a sport as we read through. So what we're going to do today, we're going to kind of move away from an informational text and write our own opinion piece. So in your opinion, Delaney, what is the best sport?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Okay. So when you create an opinion piece, what are you trying to get the reader to do?
Like what you like
or
agree.
Yeah. You want them to think that volleyball is the best sport. So we're going to write an opinion piece and put in some information as to why, Delaney, you think volleyball is the best sport. So today I want to kind of brainstorm some ideas as to what makes volleyball so great. So we have your notebook and your pencil, and we're going to write down some ideas as to what makes volleyball so great in your opinion. And what we're going to try to do is, do you know what the term hook the reader means? Can you tell me what that means?
Like try to get them to want to read your piece by like one sentence.
Like that kickoff sentence, you're hooking the reader in and making them want to continue to find out more about volleyball and what makes it so great. So we're going to work on adding a hook, getting that hook in there, get your reader excited. We're going to brainstorm some ideas. I want us to also work on proper punctuation. So when we're giving an opinion piece, are we sad about our opinion? Are we excited about our opinion?
Excited.
We're excited. So what punctuation would you use to show excitement?
Exclamation point.
Exclamation points. Okay, so we have to make sure that there's times where we use those exclamation points and we make it seem really exciting. So let's brainstorm ideas real quick as to why you think volleyball is so great.
Like there's multiple positions.
Multiple positions, okay. So write that down. Okay, very good. And what else?
It can't get canceled.
Well, why is that? Why can't it get canceled?
It's indoor.
Oh, indoor. Very good. I know when I was growing up, soccer was my favorite sport, and we were canceled for lightning and fields being flooded all the time. So that is a very good, strong argument as to why volleyball is the best. What else? What else makes it so great?
It's a team sport.
Team sport. So it's not an individual sport. You need a group of people to help you win those games. Very good. All right. What else? What comes with teammates?
Like, you are all helping each other out.
You're helping each other out. When you work together, oftentimes, what happens when teammates work together so closely?
Good.
You do good and you maybe become friends.
Yeah.
So working together, becoming friends, these are all great ideas as to what makes volleyball so great. So we'll take some of these talking points and you can turn that into your opinion piece. And we're going to try to persuade and give your opinion to the reader as to why volleyball is the best. And then when you're finished writing, I want you to proofread it. And I want you to make sure that the punctuation that you have in there inflects the voice that you're trying to get the reader to hear. So if you're saying something exciting, make sure you have that exclamation point in there. And then we're working on spelling our words on our own. So sound those words out. You can chunk them down, hear those letter sounds in there. And also maybe you can try to think of another word that begins with that letter if you're stuck on spelling. So use some of those strategies, just breaking the word down or thinking of other words that start with that letter and kind of like visualizing what it could be. So we'll work on that, and then we'll put your persuasive opinion piece on our board so everyone can read it. Sound good?
Yep.
All right. Thank you.